Have you ever struggled with the conflict between a busy schedule and the desire for personal growth? I have. I thought I had found the perfect solution: microlearning. The idea was brilliant. Knowledge could be broken down into bite-sized chunks, allowing us to consume lessons of less than 5 minutes in our free time through videos, audio clips, or short texts. Problem solved. I could use my spare time to enjoy these bite-sized pieces of knowledge and learn something new. No more worrying about my busy schedule. It seemed like the perfect way to become a lifelong learner. Not only I, but also many others, and even some organizations, have adopted the concept of microlearning to encourage continuous professional development among staff. Microlearning is often seen as an efficient approach to promoting lifelong learning by turning education into manageable, bite-sized chunks that fit into our daily routines, especially when everyone is so busy with their schedules. Many people are pleased with this kind of content. It's easy to grasp and fits conveniently into a packed day. Some have even gone so far as to suggest that if microlearning is so efficient, it could replace all traditional, instructor-led courses. But then I started to wonder, is it really as effective as we think? Can all knowledge be neatly sliced into micropieces? My answer is no. In reality, microlearning should be positioned as a supplementary tool. It is better suited for learning scenarios that no need for complex logical connections, easily divisible into independent modules, and focused on memorization or immediate application, such as vocabulary building, formula repetition, general knowledge acquisition, or skill-based learning like basic video editing. However, when it comes to complex knowledge systems requiring deep comprehension, systematic construction, and repeated practice, traditional structured learning remains irreplaceable. Microlearning is like the snack of knowledge. Just as snacks cannot replace a full meal, microlearning cannot substitute systematic learning. We are well aware that snacks offer limited benefits for physical strengthening. Similarly, microlearning's contribution to building a complete knowledge framework is constrained. It may even create the illusion of making progress amid a busy schedule, serving as a psychological substitute to ease the anxiety of failing to balance time allocation. I'm not entirely dismissing the value of microlearning. Just as marathon runners need energy gels, there are times in daily life when we, too, need snacks. In specific contexts, microlearning can play a critical role. It can serve as an entry point to new knowledge or a supplement to an existing knowledge system. What I oppose is the misconception of replacing meals with snacks, the dangerous tendency to use microlearning as a wholesale substitute for systematic education and professional development. When learners have already established a knowledge framework, microlearning can act as an efficient plug-in. For instance, learning a new foreign language vocabulary in 5 minutes. For those already familiar with a language system, it's enriching their existing knowledge repository. And well-designed microcourses can also serve as introductory gateways to deeper learning. In contrast, some lengthy and inefficient traditional courses may prove less effective than a series of carefully crafted knowledge snacks. We should neither cling to the extreme of only full courses nor overlook the risks of universalizing and mainstreaming microlearning. At its core, microlearning is an auxiliary tool, a knowledge snack, an appetizer, or an emergency kit, but never the main course. Over-reliance on it leads to fragmented knowledge and superficial thinking, trapping people in a self-congratulatory illusion of learning while undermining the social and subjective dimensions of education, reducing it to its most utilitarian function. There is no denying that rapid technological advancements are accelerating the evolution of fragmented learning, signaling that new learning models will continue to emerge and develop. We must avoid both blind dependence on microlearning and outright rejection of it. Just as a balanced diet requires a combination of main courses and snacks, learners need to cultivate the wisdom to discern when, why, and how to use such tools. Only when microlearning is strategically integrated with other learning approaches can this flexible and powerful tool unleash its full potential. Thank you for watching.